Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let me introduce my team. My name is Diana Dia Febriana.
My name is Tigalas Ramadhani.
My name is Putri Alpina.
My name is Rizky Ananda Nur Islam.
My name is Aditya Banglevi.
Today we will share how to make
Risol!
Wait. We didn't make risol because we forgot to buy breadcrumb. So this time, we will share how to make spring rolls or lumpia. First, you can provide the ingredients for the filling. They're carrots, potatoes, leeks, and celery. Okay, next, you can cut the carrots and potatoes into small cubes. Nah, after you have finished cutting the carrots and potatoes, you can put them in a container. Oh yeah guys, don't forget to chop the celery leaves and spring onions, okay? Mix all the chopped vegetables into a container and tada! We're done cutting the filling. Ting, cooking time! You can stir fry the vegetable. Don't forget to add salt and MSG. You can also add egg to make the spring roll filling even more delicious. And it's time to roll the spring rolls. You can buy the wrapper at the mini market. First, put the filling on top of the wrapper. Then fold the right and left sides. We're still beginners and sorry guys if it's still messy when rolling the spring rolls. After folding the right and left sides, we can roll the spring rolls to the front. Roll and roll. Nah, tada! We have finished the work of folding the spring rolls. Next, fry the spring rolls over medium heat until golden brown. Fry all the spring rolls that we have made. Then, remove and drain the cooked spring rolls. And finally, the spring rolls are ready to eat. They look very delicious. You can eat them with chili or tomato sauce. Don't forget to try this recipe at home, okay? Thank you for watching and see you guys. Bye-bye.